Things you don't know about chia seeds. These tiny seeds have big secrets. Chia seeds grow big in water. They can grow up to 10 times their size. Chia seeds don't need cooking, just soak and eat. They are good for your heart and brain because of omega-3. Chia seeds help bones and teeth. They have calcium even without milk. They have almost no taste. You can mix them with anything. They were used as energy food by ancient warriors. When mixed with water, they become gel-like and can be used as an egg substitute in baking. Follow us for more healthy food facts.